What's up coders, this is Go Python and this is my 4th tutorial of Python. Now this is Visual Studio Code and you can easily download it from the link given below. Now you can use Python on this by searching Python in the extensions and installing it. I have already installed it, so I am not doing that again. Now today I'm gonna start with mathematical operations. What are mathematical operations? They include operations like division, subtraction, multiplication and addition. Let's take two numbers like the first number to be 68 and the second number to be what can I take, 44, and let's print this value. First number plus second number. Now this would add these two numbers which I have taken as variable. Let's run that. See, it is showing 112. The sum of these operations. We can also subtract these numbers. See, it is showing 24. Now we can also show that in a variable called result. Let's make a variable called result and store the values of these two. It is giving us the output 2992, which is the actual multiplication of these two numbers. We can also divide these two numbers by using a slash mark. It is showing this number in decimals. Now what if I don't want these decimals? Now I can use double slashes in order to remove the decimals. See, first time it showed 1.545454, now it removed the decimals. If you want to round the number, you can use the round function in order to round the variable. See, it has rounded the number and showing the output too. We can also use negative operations in these numbers. Let's say we have to just only add these numbers. Now you can also use negative operations like minus 68 plus 44. Negative values can also be used, and you can also use float numbers in these like 8 point something something. See, that's all about this video. See you in the next video and subscribe my channel, like this video, and goodbye.